attending the university should be learning, or it is just about the maintaining a 75 percentage attendance.
ये ना
Teka, teka.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Amuti Eva and you're coming with me for another day in my life. And unless you're new, then welcome everyone. Oh bhai, why you are disturbing me? और इस कपाट में एक कोना में खुद को शूट करते हुए because there is very messy. Still I not arrange. After when I came back here, that time I arrange these things. For now I have to keep here like this क्योंकि मुझे late हो रहा है and I go to university. This is the daily routine which I always said you that I'm going to university because जाना ही है तो यही है मेरा जो है कि डेली ब्लॉग में होता है and soon there will be a more vlog which will be very interesting and on the way में है because I don't know कब आएगा वो होके लेकिन ये यूनिवर्सिटी का this university जो मेरा ब्लॉग है this will going to soon very end. That's why I enjoy this vlog as well as I'm also enjoying and I want to take along with you guys that I wanted to show you that how I am doing in the university. These all are the things that which I really want to explore the things and yeah I'm doing something that I can use it in the university so I'll search it and make sure कि correction अच्छा हो क्योंकि sometimes when you speak in English language it doesn't mean that you have to speak in fluently but also sometimes you have to make it correct so that other person can relate and other person also can learn from me as well as me also learn from there. Guys मेरे lips को देखो थोड़ा सा lip liner लगाया तो पूरा dark हो गया है और मेरा बाल जैसे होते हुए लेकिन अभी इसको पोनीटेल बन के जाएगा क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो गया है एक्सट्रीमली गर्म हो गया है and I have not corrected my sentence क्योंकि sometimes बहुत ज़्यादा गड़बड़ होते हैं my sentence में तो every time तो नहीं करते लेकिन sometimes make it correction to yourself. Sometimes nobody will correct it क्योंकि surrounding में ना इंग्लिश बोलने वाला नहीं है तो in that way यही है and guys आप उधर में जाके देखिएगा यूनिवर्सिटी में this is the daily routine जो है मेरा favorite daily routine है ये वाला section जो I love क्योंकि ये वाला भी जल्द ही end होने वाला है and बहुत ज़्यादा मिस करेगा अभी से ही मिस करना शुरू हो रहा है मुझे क्योंकि पता नहीं these things will never come in again in your life so I will not miss out every day whenever I go to the university and whatever I'm doing whatever the things come to me I'll never stop to make a vlog so that I can in the coming year that time I'll watch my own vlog. There will be a reaction video to my own vlog so that I'm making this vlog so that time I can make my own reaction video इसीलिए I'm making this vlog and guys please don't be so bored to my vlog every time I am not every time alternative होते हैं तो उधर में मेरा वीडियो जाता है but please guys don't be so bored क्योंकि ये एक ही ब्लॉग को डालते रहते हैं वो भी यूनिवर्सिटी का don't think about that क्योंकि ये भी एक वो है जर्नी है through this university I can explore more and I can learn more and more how the things is going on and I can find out what my own niche that I can find it out but still I didn't find out so I have to explore more myself क्योंकि find करने के लिए explore करना ज़रूरी है ऐसे randomly नहीं आएगा so stay tuned guys अभी उत्तर पे मिलेगा
इसमें बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है अलग से ना ये सुंदर होने का कारण एक राज बताएगा
ये क्या लग रहा है
लिपटिंग है oh my god man is here so I'll continue my this topic in the next day so माइका उसको कंटिन्यू करेगा The things is like this. Just before came to this blog, I learned something that I have to speak it out, because sometimes what you learn that become escape or erase from the mind. So when you speak, I think that remember somewhere in the mind. So things is like that. Think different, think positive, and think out of the box. And another one is like क्या था? Don't make excuses. I make results. And now the last one is oh हो गया इतना ही है. Wow, what a quote. और एक जो है कि about the attending the university, and no, if you are not eligible, and if you are not got 75 percentage in regards of you attending the classes. So my friend Mapa is very upset because she didn't get 75% in the whole this not 5 months, 3 months. I think they calculated the 3-month classes. So she speak to ma'am, but ma'am said that कि जितना attend किया है तो वही कई बनाए बोले. But Mapa is comparing to me कि हम जितना आए हैं वो भी आए बोल के. But the things is like that. I got 80% attendance. So Mapa is not satisfied because हम दोनों आते रहते तो साथ में, तो उसको 1% भी नहीं मिला है 75 से, सिर्फ 74 मिला है. तो मैं आपका बारे में हम बता रहे तो you are not got the 75%. And Vishal, I say one thing, okay? You just give an answer and you can go.
No, I have to go. Men's.
No, you just listen now what I'm saying.
Wait, I will back.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Okay, they are going. They are not, want to wait a moment because they are going to main chamber. They are going to discuss about the dissertation. Yes, I vote. You. Vishal, now you are ready. And you, listen now, this is one question that you have to both.
Only 1%?
Yes, one question. Both you have to give an answer.
Yeah, ask
Okay.
me. Ask me.
The things is like that. Do you think that? Oh sorry, ये वाला को कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा आप जो. लो. Come here. You just listen, okay? No. Do you think attending university should be learning or just it is maintaining the required 75% of attendance?
No, obviously, it is for learning. But some students are for coming.
Only for
just
attendance.
Yeah, like in him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Inyo is the one of the student who not eligible. नहीं अभी बता रहे तो you can see इसको वो कर देगा तो बाद में उसको हो ही जाएगा तो ना 75. No I'll tell you. Inyo is the जितना ये commerce department का scoring one of the least percentage in this in this department. So Inyo okay, you can unsubscribe. I'm not worried about the subscriber. I'm worried about your percentage. Because 75% नहीं लाने से you are not eligible for the examination ना जो होने जा रहा है. So you should very serious about the classes. And I think this is the instead of learning, this is the attending the university. You have to score and maintaining the 75%. I think, but most of the things we think about that we came to this university to explore and to learn, but the things is going another direction. You have to score this and that, but automatically when you came in this university, I think both the things you have to follow, learning plus percentage. These both things is very needed for our also for the this university rules and regulation. If you are not obtaining the 75%, then you are not eligible for the seat in the examination. So the things is like that. For my things, I'll share you the main thing that I don't know there what to say. Okay, I want to know from you that did you heard about this one thing that Three Idiot, one dialogue that the actor is said one. What is the dialogue then? You know that?
Which one?
The actor said that run for excellence, not the mark. Nah, you heard about this dialogue. This dialogue I think implement in our journey in this university, because if we run for the what that one learning or explore more things, then the percentage will automatically come. Nah, is it not? If we came in this university to learn to explore more thing about the what to say that one बाहर का दुनिया को भी देखने के लिए, then the percentage will automatically come. That things I want to share. The main reason I got 80%, but Mapa is very upset. Na Mapa, because we came both here always together, but I think there is a lack which Mapa and ma'am can't describe it out, but finally ma'am said that if you are absent 1 to 3 days, that will be also deduct the percentage. So this will be concluded in this blog, and I'll not speak about these things, because if I speak more and more, then she will get angry, because she already in the mood of not want to talk about these things. And now I'm again doing the modification to my dissertation. Still I not haven't done anything. Yesterday I did it, but there is more thing to modify. So today I'm speaking this language because early in the morning I decided to speak these things, because I had learned also that one question which I already asked to Visalsa, that I'll repeat one more time, that do you think attending the university should be learning, or it is just about maintaining a 75% attendance? So these are the things which I really want to share. And I'll throw this one. This things is very disturbing my mouth. Piece ko rak do. And finally I'm going to modify and edit something like that. Last year क्या हुआ था बोलने से, if we got the 100 and 100% ये कि per semester per year में, तो that time who got the 100%, that person will rewarded. तो ये कल्चर जो अभी भी चल रहा है, लेकिन 100% कोई भी नहीं लाया है. तो फॉर नाउ क्या अदर पता नहीं वो चल रहा भी होगा, नहीं भी चल रहा होगा. इन अदर माइंड्स इफ वी गॉट 100% देन दे विल रिवॉर्ड अस, ऐसे टाइप में. और ऐसे होने से भी एक बहुत इमेज जो क्रिएट हो जाते हैं 100% लाए बोल के. तो यही है. For my things, I'll share to what are the things that I really यहाँ पे आते बोलने से. The one most important things is like मेरे लिए तो not just for learning, it's just about the come in this university and talk yourself every day, क्योंकि सैटरडे संडे को होते हैं यूनिवर्सिटी में होते हैं, तो I get times to make a vlog and speak it out whatever I learn or whatever I'm not able to learn, or what are the things that I can't make it, and what are the things I'm lacking. तो यही हम जो शेयर करते हैं in my blog. तो when I'm in my rent, there's nothing things there is to, क्योंकि दिखाने के लिए को कुछ भी नहीं है. तो उधर में रहते हैं बोलने से भी no study, only exploring क्या बोलते explore. Now my tongue is stucking, वो भी pronounce नहीं आ रहा है. scrolling कर yes, this one, scrolling the Insta feed always and see the different people कि वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं बोल के. And there is a lot of procrastination is there, but when you go to university, I feel myself कि I am going somewhere कि जहाँ में I feel very relief and I feel very fortunate कि मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ. And yeah, these are the things that मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है शेयर करना, and अभी भी शेयर कर रहा है.